What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are finally going to be installing some brakes on the Integra. What brakes, you might ask? Well, your boy upgraded. I went from the DPHA Willwood off-the-shelf $400 big brake kit. Now your boy got the StopTech STR42 kit that we're about to unbox and install down in the garage. Hey, fasten your seatbelts, kids. Let's get to it. What happening? What the hell? We got Mr. Randy built. Hi, Randy. Stop on my face, bro. Randy just rude. But what we got in the box right here is the STR42 kit from Fast Brakes. Yes, sir. And the one-stop shop to get your brakes, biatch. Opening up the box, we got some Hawk pads. Oh, snap. Got some Hawk DTC 60s, which I'm actually probably won't be running for long because they create way too much damn brake dust, and I just got the T's cleaned and I don't want to, you know, run past. They're gonna get me way too much brake dust. They're good for the track, but I'm gonna try to find something for like some street pads or something. Right here we got the bracket that we need to bracket up our calipers. So here we have one of the calipers right here, another caliper right here, two calipers. We got brand new brake lines he includes in his kits. Stainless steel, of course, what you need. Next up, we got another bracket, I believe, and then we got hardware, a bunch of washers, some nuts, pause, some bolts, some washers, and then in this right here, I believe this is, I don't know. Now this is the damn rotor. Oh, there are rotors. It's a two piece, yeah. This is one of them. God damn, I believe this is the 1142 inch, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But that's one. And then the other one should be underneath this right here. Boom. So now we have everything that we need to upgrade our Willwoods to StopTech STR42 trophy kit. Everything came from Fast Brakes. So shout out to Brian Hasty over at Fast Brakes. Be sure to look out for their Black Friday sales. I have the Instagram handle on the screen. Go there or click the link in the description box to go over to the Instagram page. So once you have the rotor and the hat combined, basically how you want is you want the hat, which is the black piece on the inside, you want that to basically mount on the inside. So this is how you vent air through the air things right here. The air chambers cools all the the rotor down itself. So you want your caliper to, I keep getting that shit wrong. Your rotor to look like that. You come to the bracket, you bracket it on basically like an OEM. So make sure the washer on the outside, well not washer, but the indented, welded, I don't know what the hell you want to call it, but make sure that's facing the outside towards the rotor, and you have a clear surface to, not clear, but like it's flat in the back to bolt it up, and you should be solid on that part. And then you have shims. He includes shims in your thing, so include 2 shims on each side. You have a total of 8, so 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Then once the rotor goes on, make sure you use brake clean to clean the rotor. Yeah. But we gotta go get some of that. We ain't got none right now. But you put the rotor on. Next up is your big boy caliper with pads. All right, I got some used DTCs I'm just gonna run for now until I get the pads that I want, so I have less.
It's simple to break the pads off. So.
Yeah, so for the pads, it's way easier than the Willwoods. You just have one thing in a bridge, just one 5mm bolt in the bridge, and then the pads just slip right on and off. Simple, love it. Gotta love it. Put the bridge in there, then put the 5mm bolt. And the bolt comes with a washer on top, so make sure you don't use that washer. Tighten it down with a 10mm on one side and a 5mm hex on the other side. Solid. Then you slide the caliper onto the mounting bracket. And there you go. There you have it.
Wow, done.
One side is done. Just gotta tighten up everything with the supplied hardware he actually supplied you with. There you go. You have 2 nuts, 2 washers. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten that up. So what I have right here is Motul 660. I recently today bought the Castrol SRF. I put this in once I fully do the system with the air compressor, like suck out all the old fluid and have straight good fluids. But for now, I'm gonna just use the rest of this 660. And then yeah, right now we're ready to bleed brakes. Everything is situated. Randy went ahead and got the lines all on, all thing professional, you feel me? Bleeder up top, because the air only escapes from the top. So make sure when you put your bleeder on, put it at the top and don't mount at the bottom. The bottom is for your brake line. But you guys would know that once you get the kit from Fast Brake. Shout out to Brian again for this kit. Now it's time to bleed it, Playboy. You feel me? Okay, so I went ahead and installed my brand new OEM slave cylinder and my master from Hybrid with the S2000 plate and S2000 clutch master cylinder. The homie Dimitri is gonna bleed my clutch. Pause. Don't it smell like pizza in here?
Yep.
It's cause of this bread, bro. This bread smells good, bitch. Called Country French 2-pack. You good?
Yep.
Wait, is my tin down there?
Huh?
Hold on. Hold on, everybody. So this video has been going on for a couple of days now, actually. Today is November 9th, the day after my birthday, so thank you for all the birthday wishes on my 26th video that I posted yesterday. Update on the Integra. The wheels are on. StopTech big brake kit is on. I actually drove the car to do some Top Golf, like some place where you golf and it's like hot shot golf. I don't know what it is, but me and the homies went and drove the car. We all cruised down there to Vero, and it was a fantastic time. The car drove phenomenal. Still got to keep embedding the brakes, but yeah, she's done. She's ready to roll. Now next up, I have to do for the interior is like cut the dash. You know, just make it all nice and neat and, you know, tuck up everything, remove carpet, paint underneath the carpet. Just make my Integra a race car. So I can live out my dreams of making my Integra into a race car. So that's the goal. Wheels are still clean. Look at that, boy. They is still icy. Even the front, like, the front is actually still pretty nice as well, too. So, all in all, man, it's been great. The car has been performing phenomenally. The big brake kit is on. If I can get an alignment today at Randy's job, I can continue on this vlog with driving there to get an alignment. But all in all, we just showed you how to install the brake kit. No real review yet until I get like some different pads. I want some street pads so I don't create as much brake dust just from daily driving my car until I can swap the pads out for like a track event or something like that. But all in all, my baby, this is my baby. I can't wait to get this interior looking how I want it to. All this gonna be painted and nice and neat. I cannot wait. Oh, this bracket comes off? Oh, snap, nice. Yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna be sick. So I'm on the way to Randy's job to get this bad girl aligned. So I guess the video, well, the show must go on. It's a beautiful day outside today, though. It's beautiful. Beautiful day in the loose, bro. So we're back at Randy's, getting in the line after, I don't know, like 3 months. been a minute. Just some suspension, minor suspension work with the sway bar, new end links, new tires. One of my bolts was loose on the front of the not upper, but the front lower control arm. So I get all that, and my toe, I'm pretty sure my toe is off a little bit. But all in all, let's see what she check and bake Ricky Bobby. I was having the issue where my exhaust hanger kept rubbing against the thing, making a nasty, annoying ass vibration. But Randy came through. Now it's time to drop them wolf. Fred, why? What happening, wolf? Oh, don't drop it too low on the mix, bro. Do this shit.
I'm about to go to the gym, man.
You going back to the gym? Now that
I've been going back to the gym.
You might well come back to the gym. Whoa, where you going? Alignment done. Keem finna pull up. Fred just pulled up. Guess we're gonna chill out for the rest of the vlog.
You gotta get gas, man.
That too.
That shit far, man.
Keem Integra is back. On 5 lug now. That front end is nice.
You just did that shit. We was in the circuit 8 fucking last week, man. How much you want for them shit? I got 800 right now.
I got 5.
Damn.
Your
bro.
money no good. Keem, I think, made like 800 horsepower, I believe.
Oh yeah, but that shit fast.
Yeah. B-Series
I don't know
too.
where the fuck he got the wheels from, that.
Type R's too.
I know, bro. Yo, you know this S2000 brakes?
Oh, that's 2000?
Front and back.
With the UKM tail lights. The Mugen Gen 1 spoiler. The Mugen Gen 1 spoiler. S2000 cluster. S2000 steering wheel.
Pull up at Tire Plus Ryan. That boy ran doing
finna
3 alignments. They the whole PSL for the BIL, man.
I'm gonna make a post. Y'all want a free alignment, pull up the Tires Plus. Craig watching this shit right now. Alright, so we all came to the gas station because we need gas. Let's look at today's price. Today's price is indeed not yesterday's price. Jesus fuck. Yikes.
Lauderdale, Broward County Finance, you heard me? 9542.